Yeah, we wanted to ask you a series of questions in regards to like your facility. What was the vision when you first started Biancaspino?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sam, for this beautiful and amazing opportunity you gave me. My name, like you said, is Antonio Bembo. I come from Italy, and I came from a family with a tradition in garment, in fashion. And so when I was since when I was a child, I grew in a family with this traditional fashion. And my vision was all the time for the high quality, for the contemporary product, and for beautiful things. Everything around me, I love the beauty, and everything around me, it's something that's I believe, something like this.
We control the material. So in this machine, we have, for example, here we have a problem. So here we have a problem, and we take away we cut,
It's a long time ago, in 1998, a friend of mine and we decided to open this company in a beautiful environment here in Romania, surrounded by nature, and we created this beauty. Since we are here, we are in the market from 27 years, we approach a lot of brands. And I think the most important brand is in the world. And as you know, Italian luxury brands they have a very good quality.
And what brands have you worked with over the years?
Like Ermenegildo Zegna, one of my favorite brands, very cool, very luxury. Moncler too, and Paul & Shark, and Stone Island, and Giorgio Armani, many other brands. Very high quality and standard quality. Okay, I'm very proud about the process, the production process, because we invest a lot in innovation and automation, bringing innovation and automation to our manufacturing lines. We are committed to adding value to the products we create. And our process is a very big process with 40 people on the line. And because we have this automatic machine, we can do all the details very precisely. We follow all the process, starting from the beginning until the end. So we collaborate with some company in the area who could bring the rest of the material and they recycle the material.
Was that one of the reasons you think that you worked with us, Sandbanks, in the beginning? Because we were trying to become a sustainable brand, we were wanting to use recycle? Because every time we talk about it, it seems very important to you, doesn't it?
Yeah. So, I really love this project since from the beginning, because I believe in this sustainability and recycle. I think we have a commitment and we need to respect the environment. So this is the most important thing.
Yeah, because I remember the first time myself and Wayne came and visited you. Obviously, we were telling you all of our story of like working in Italy.
And your story is really an amazing story, Sam. I like it from the very beginning when we met. It was a very, very emotional thing, and it was very nice to start the project with you. And if you remember, so when we start and where we are now, it's totally different. We build very warm jackets, beautiful jackets, recycle. What the most?
Yeah, what more do you want?
Yeah,
I remember because it was it all did happen quite quickly, and you took a chance on us, we took a chance on you, but we saw everything.
Oh, it was so wonderful because we believe in each other, since the beginning.
Yeah, well, we saw the product you're making for these other brands, and we knew you were the guys to be
working practice for your idea, because the idea was to create sustainability product recycle. So, and we put together from your idea and our experience, we've put together and we have done a beautiful jackets, warmer and nice jackets.
Yeah, because I think like your team here, your interpretation of our designs, you elevate them to the next level.
Yeah, we have a very good product development inside. So, and because we have everything inside, starting from the product development office and pattern rooms and sample rooms especially, we can develop and build together with the clients the product they want.
When we were talking about your house the other night, we were talking about the high quality of things. And you live in a luxury world, you aspire to luxury things, your chalet is beautiful. So I suppose, how do you get that attention to detail into the garments that we make?
Okay. So, because as I told you, I love to live in the beauty, and around us there is just luxury garments. We are very careful to the details. For me, the details make a difference, and because the details make a difference, we invest in automation. We invest in everything from the very beginning. My idea was to do something different than the others. And the competitor was all the time Italy, not other countries. And because in Italy, the manufacturing is in the blood, in DNA, I would like to import this mentality and to give here in another country than Italy, in Europe, and produce with different hands, but the same culture. So in Europe, in my opinion, we have specialized people, especially what we are doing is done by hands. And these gold hands need to have specialized. We training all the people with Italian technician. We imported Italian technician to create this specialized the work that we have. This is the most important, one of the most important things. Yeah, the value of the product in material, the material, the construction, the stitching, the shape, everything, because the image of the product.
I don't think the consumer realizes as well, or the customer realizes, that recycled garments actually cost more to make than like non-recycled, like buying all the yarns, buying the grays and the fabrics. It costs more.
Yeah, so the cost is higher.
Yeah.
But can you imagine? You invest in your product, you invest in the environment, I believe all the garments need to be recycled, really need to be recycled. Because you invest in yourself, you invest in your family, you invest in the environment where you live. This is make a difference, This is what I think, and what I suggest to my family, daughters, invest in yourself and in the product that you buy.
So thank you so much for agreeing to have this interview with us.
Of course, it's a really pleasure. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.